This one is about the people who um, would fish from the riverbanks. The shore of the river. Legend has it. Um, and where I think they live near there. And the it was below the dam, and so legend has it that when the dam would release the water, it would drown them. And I assume eventually they got some kind of a warning whistle so that wouldn't happen. But that's what I heard. And I'm sure they caught some good fish to eat. But that's what I heard about those folks down there by the river. One time, think of things about the river. We found a Coke bottle that was would have been very valuable had it not been broken. It was the amethyst, very old, and it's just too bad that rivers have to be dammed up. But then I got a lot of stories about that same river and what happened when I was growing up associated with it. All right, that's all we need to do for now.